I'm Richard Jackson, work with Pike Electric. We have been using FleetWave since late 2014. So it's been a great product. We especially love the ability to customize, add things as we needed. It's been a really good experience for us. I'm going to say the value, one big value we get is the user experience. The user being able to go to any browse screen and export the data they want to pull out of it. The ability to easily integrate with a lot of our different systems. We have a lot of custom integrations we've built, a lot of integrations that Chevin have built for us. So I think it's just the user experience, the ease of use that we find to be very beneficial and value. Very excited. I like the way the next gen looks. I'm excited to maybe be involved in doing some work with you and just discovering what all we'll have to do to take FleetWave 2. It's a little bit scary, I'll be honest with you. I think several customers have been nervous, but I'm very excited at the same time to be this far up front in something that be coming out down the road that maybe we as customers will have a lot of influence and say on the final product. So I feel good about that.